Hello everyone, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. This Ramadan, let's celebrate with special savings. A festive season with exclusive discounts designed to bring joy and value. Let's say like 40% off your purchase with a maximum savings of $200. These smart discounts are designed to give you big savings while ensuring fair profits for your business. So if you plan to set up a cap discount like this in your Shopify store, watch this video completely without skipping. So before going to the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Shopify tips. For setting up a gap discount in Shopify, I'm using Next Discount app, which is available in the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. So after installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. Now you can choose the discount code as your discount type and add for any discount code. Let's add 40% off for now and discount with a 40 and a capping amount of 200. So this capping amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond 200. Even though the 40% of the cart value is higher than 200, our cap amount will make sure that the maximum discount will be limited to 200 only. And you can also set this discount be applied to all the products or a specific collection or a specific products. And if you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can set up here. I'm not preferring any minimum purchase requirement for now. And in case of customer eligibility, you can have it for all the customers or a customer having some tags or only on first order customers like that. And you can also limit the number of times the discount can be used in total, which means I'm saying 100 here, then this discount will be available for the 100 first users. And you can also limit the usage of this code per customer only one time. And if you have any active dates criteria, like if you are planning to run the offer on 10 days or a month of Ramadan or a 10 days or a week, those timings, if you can set it up over here, like you can have some start date or a start time and end date and end time through which this code is active. And you can also combine this code with the existing discounts like product discount, order discount, or a shipping discount. So after adding all this, you can save the changes. So after saving it, I'm checking whether the code has been activated from the discount section. Now you can see that the code has been activated successfully. Now let's test this setup in our online store. So first I'm trying to buy a product of 234. I'm adding this to the cart and I'm applying the code here. Now you can see that the 40% of 234, which is 93, has been applied successfully and the user got 93 rupees or $93 as the discount amount. Now let's check with some other products having some other higher prices. Now I'm adding 5,000 worth product to the cart, applying the code here. Now you can see that the 40% of the 5,000 is greater than 200. Since we have set up some cap discount or a cap amount in the section, this ensures that the maximum discount will never go beyond this 200, because this cap amount will make sure that the discount amount will limited up to only 200. So that's how you set up a cap discount of 200 with the 40% off in your Ramadan Day sale. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and share. Thanks for watching video.